Let's talk weather. I'm here with meteorologist Mariel Ruiz. And Mariel, I mean, okay, over the weekend I was here with Kyle, and of course we were talking about this warm up that's heading our way. Yeah. I mean,
it's warm.
Yeah, it's warm. It's unseasonably warm though, right?
By about 20 to 25 degrees. That is
a lot.
It's a lot. It doesn't look like a January forecast.
We're almost there.
Almost there. Here's what I need you to know though, for the rest of the day and really for the rest of the week. We have this early week warming trend that's going to lead us to potential record heat this week. We have a cold front that does bring in the cooler weather, but it's only going to help bring down temperatures to slightly above what's considered normal. So still technically warm for this time of the year. Right now we're looking at a blue sky overhead, beautiful look over Fort Worth, 60 degrees. Any watch parties going on this evening, I think you'll be fine with the weather. If maybe they're outside, go ahead and bring that light jacket with you. Temperatures are going to drop for this evening into the upper 50s. Heading to, though, the SoFi Stadium, it may be getting to the stadium. It will be a little soggy. Temperatures will be in the upper 50s around 5, 6, and 7. Kickoff near 6:30. We're going to have that rain pretty consistent around the area. Luckily, this is an indoor stadium. And speaking of California, just a lot of advisories, warnings due to the added moisture moving into the area. You can see there very brightly colored California because of all of those high wind warnings, flash flood watches, and winter storm warnings for the higher terrain there. And those lead into Nevada and portions of Utah as well. Here closer to home, if you're going to be outside, maybe taking part in any of those watch parties, keep in mind, we're warning you now, mountain cedar is at a moderate count, fungus at a low count. Now these were pretty consistent over the weekend. I'm expecting this to stay consistent at least through Wednesday, and then we'll see that wind shift because of that front coming in, and hopefully that helps lower things just a tad. Right now at DFW Airport, 60 degrees. Winds are out of the south at about 5 to 15 miles per hour. I'm expecting winds to gust closer to about 20 miles per hour this afternoon. So right now about 57 in Denton, Decatur, and in Dallas, 56 in McKinney, about 56 in Greenville, 57 in Decatur and Bowie. On temperatures, I'm expecting to climb by a degree or two here in the next hour, about 64 degrees around 1, 68 degrees around 3. It'll be breezy at times. Temperatures do drop into the upper 50s around 7. I know a lot of those watch parties going on around that time. So afternoon high temperatures are going to vary across the area. This is all thanks to drier air along our western counties. Mid 70s for you, about 74 degrees, for Mineral Wells, 75 in Graham and in Granbury, 70 degrees for Fort Worth. And if you're in the Metroplex, upper 60s. If you're along I-35, upper 60s. Cooler into the mid 60s east of DFW, all thanks to the added moisture. Now the temperature climbs even more tomorrow. You're talking 78 degrees. The record is 79 degrees, so we'll be very close to it. 80 degrees on Wednesday. That's very close to the record of 83 degrees. So we'll be very, very close to record heat over the next couple of days before we drop into the low 60s as we approach the end of the week. Now, when that front's coming in on Wednesday, we have an elevated fire danger. As it pushes through the Metroplex, I don't think we'll see much rain. Our eastern counties may see a small dose of rain. Otherwise, we're just looking at cooler weather to end the week, the weekend with sunshine. Our next best chance of rain comes next Monday on MLK Day.
There's like a little bit of everything on that 10-day forecast.